Now I will explain you why we did every animation in separate composition. Let's create a new composition. Name it all stuff. Increase duration because all shapes will be there. Let's make it 10 seconds. Okay. Now we have empty composition. The first what you need to do is creating background. If I will just drag that all to the new composition, it will not be looked very nice. But if we'll put a background, click right button in empty side, new, solid, choose solid color. Let's choose this orange color. Solid is on the top now. Let's drag it way down and we got this. We made shapes separately to make it easy to use. Let's put the line way down, select other comp and drag them forward. Line will be first. Drag the line comp to the left. Let's put here. When the line will end, other splashed shapes will start. Drag other comps to the right for starting them later. I will make that I imagine now. You can make it how you want. Do that you imagined. Your result can be much better than this. Just click on them, change duration, size, colors, duplicate them, and so on. I will make something like this. Let's see what we get. Pretty nice. Now let's add a shadow effect. It will look better with shadow effect. Right on effects and presets, drop shadow. Take it and drag it on line. As you see, now there is a shadow. Turn off the effect to see the change. You can change direction, distance, softness and opacity. Let's put something like this. You can make it differently. It looks better now. If you can't see the parameters, go to Windows and choose Effect and Preset. Also, if you haven't got Effect Controls panel, go to Window and add it from here. Something here. There it is. Line. Also, let's duplicate the shadow effect by pressing Ctrl C and select other shapes and press Ctrl V. Let's see what we got. It's okay. Yeah. Also, you can change background color for adding effect. Go to Effects, type there Fill, drag it on background, on solid. By default, it will be red. It's red now. And change color. You can put white. I think white is not good. Let's make it some like gray. Looks very nice. Yeah, it's okay.